Hello, welcome to another exciting video. My name is Usman Awan. So this is a Squarespace website and I got a task to verify this website with Google Search Console. So I added my website on Google Search Console and then I got the HTML tag and I was looking for a place where to put the code and it takes a lot of my time. Seriously, I tried my best. I looked into all features, options, even I checked ChatGPT. I watched few videos, but I was not getting the right solution. So then after spending some time, I find out the easy solution how to do that. So I thought I should make a video and share the solution with you. So it's very quick. First of all, you need to come on Google Search Console. Here you can add your website for verification and you can just copy your HTML tag. Then you can go on the dashboard of Squarespace website and under the website option, you see there is an option pages. And now scroll down and you see there are three links: marketing tools, system pages, and custom code. So click custom code and then you can click code injection. And this will give you the feature of header and footer where you can paste your code. So click here, paste your code, and you can click save from the left top. So it will add this code into the header of your website. Now let's go back on Google Search Console and click verify. Now you can see the website is verified and the ownership is verified. So it's a very quick video and I believe it can save a lot of your time and efforts. Thank you for watching this video.